The Navy SEALs.
So, tell me a little bit about your ears.
They go to the army base.
What ears? These ears?
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Sorry we haven't dropped a video. Scarlett's been busy traveling.
Betting is like
You were in PA.
betting is where.
What?
Where are you? Upstate? Where are you?
Oh, yeah. Pennsylvania.
Yeah, so she was busy. She's a diva, you know.
No, Rangers.
Tasha.
I don't even know.
Quiet down on that though. Don't say that again. Don't lift that up. What is it?
Tasha.
What is it?
Tasha.
What is she?
A lightning bug.
You got a lightning bug? Don't leave it closed. How did you get a lightning bug?
I catched it.
You caught it.
Don't
say that.
This guy's drinking a screwdriver.
There's no air.
Dude. Really sorry. Give me some love. Give me some love. Come on, I'm gonna post tomorrow.
Dude, you want somebody in your shit when you're not home?
Alrighty then. I thought you were gonna kiss it, not lick it.
Wait, your teeth on vacation? Where
Her teeth are in Pennsylvania still.
I can tell.
Scarlett, you left your teeth in Pennsylvania? Chill out with the bubbles.
Yeah, bubbles.
What? You're plotting.
I did try.
Yeah, you did.
This Friday? This Friday?
Yeah, I'm with it. You want to go?
No, you, me, and Uncle Kevin.
Oh, you and Uncle Cal? I'm not invited?
No,
Why?
we're shooting videos.
I'm not allowed to shoot a video? No, you can't go there. Can I go? Can I go? Am I allowed? Alright, let's go. Silicon Valley?
Hey, are we going to LA?
Let's go to Newport. Let's go to Newport Beach. I want to ride a longboard on the boardwalk.
Okay,
Oh, Daddy gave us the green light for LA. She's lit.
yes!
Tell Rebecca you're coming to see her. Which one is it? What's her name?
Rebecca Zamola.
Rebecca Zamola?
And that's Slay.
Matt Slay?
That's Slay. And Rebecca Zamola. And Candy and...
Mommy.
Can't do it?
Daddy said yes.
That looks serious.
Yes or no, I went to Pennsylvania.
She sound with the Philly.
A little closer.
Philly without us.
Scar will be in LA before you know it.
Okay, whatever.
Can we get a Fortnite dance out of you? Hit me with it. The big one, like when you go like that. I don't know how to do it. Yeah, that one. I gotta learn how to do that. You gotta teach me how to do that.
It goes like this.
Okay.
That. So first you go this.
Luna.
Let's go through the back door.
Hi, puppy. Hello.
Like this.
You're a wild animal. But you cool, my bro. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Yo! I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous about turning 22.
I smoke either one. I don't even like remember.
How do you have it on your phone?
Wow, prime time Scarlett.
How do you have it like on your
Thank
phone?
you. Wait. Keep going slow first. So, wait. Up, down.
I have so many videos in here.
Got it?
There's a video of Tom
There you go, got it.
drinking the
Wait, down first.
when I was on the diet.
Wait, so give me the. It's up,
Up, down.
down,
Like, she gets
cross.
Chloe's like, I'm on my chair. So girl, look, she's looking at me like, Mom, help. She's tired. She wants to go to bed.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,